feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. Living the way you meant for me to live is what I strive to do every day. As I live off the land, lead me at your pace. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living.
Hey guys, we're with Charlie Edmondson, the knife maker. He makes incredible knives, and he's going to be with us at the Cobb-a-thon. So I'm going to turn it over to him. Let him show you a little bit what he's going to be up to.
Name's Charlie Edmondson. I'm the owner of EdmondsonSteel.com. Come up 2 Saturdays in June. We're going to be forging some knives there. I'm going to bring my anvil, my gas forge, and we're basically going to be making a primitive knife, something that everyone could do if need be, with everyday tools that you could find. We're going to make a couple out of railroad spikes and heat treat and temper them there on site. So if you guys want to come out and have a good time, we'd love to have you. Cobb-a-thon, whole month of June.
Yeah. That's a nice knife.
Thank you.